Every week, ML teams get paged because a model stopped working, not from a bug, but because a column changed upstream. Faultline gives the team an early warning system. On the overview page, engineers can see active risks, blocked changes, recent investigations, and whether the data hub connection is healthy. Instead of waiting for a production incident, the team can immediately see which changes need attention and open the evidence behind each decision. Here is pull request number 2. An engineer renames billing amount to amount billed in the raw patients table. The SQL is valid, but Faultline detects the downstream impact, traces the affected assets, and flags the change before merge. Faultline converts the rename into a structured change and traces billing amount through DataHub, from raw patients through MART billing and billing features, to downstream models and 2 live deployments. The agent execution trace shows the actual MCP operations used for search, schema lookup, lineage retrieval, and exact path confirmation. 7 downstream entities are affected, 2 feature tables, 3 models, and 2 deployments. The deterministic policy returns block. Run details preserves the complete audit record behind that decision, including the original trigger, verdict, evidence source, policy version, exact lineage paths, tool calls, logs, and lifecycle events. This is not a temporary alert. Faultline writes the governed finding back into DataHub, where it becomes part of the shared metadata graph. The record includes the release block tag, run ID, source pull request, affected assets, policy result, evidence source, and links to the complete investigation. The next engineer, or agent, can reuse that decision without repeating the analysis. When a model degrades, root cause launches an evidence-guided investigation. It checks prior findings, follows lineage, reviews freshness and schema events, and inspects source data. Here, it identifies 277 patient rows where admission and discharge dates are reversed, producing negative length of stay values that corrupt a model feature. No schema changed, no pull request caused it, and no exception was raised. After the engineer reviews and confirms the RCA, Faultline writes it back to DataHub as a durable record linked to the affected asset, with the original evidence source preserved. Before a model ships, Readiness Gate runs 5 deterministic checks. Feature freshness fails at 42 minutes against a 30-minute threshold, producing a no-go decision with remediation evidence shown inline. Faultline catches silent risks, explains their impact, and preserves reusable knowledge in DataHub, built with the Agent Context Kit and DataHub MCP server.